Hello everyone, my name is Nelson Vails, Olympic and World Cycling Champion. I had the opportunity and the privilege to participate in the 2018 Hincapie Gran Fondo, and this is my story. Nelson Vails, ride with Nelly at the Hincapie Gran Fondo. Behind me, Domestique Hotel. This was the red carpet walk for dinner last night, and now I'm about to make my way over to the staging area and be introduced and host a 50-mile ride. So you ride with Nelly, stay tuned for more. We're gonna have a fun-filled day. A little overcast, but it's warm. Overcast meaning chances of precipitation, rain. And right now it feels like it's 65 degrees and showers expected this afternoon. So you ride with Nelly, it's the same for everybody. Nelson Vails back. Quick update. This is the changing room for all the celebrity guests. So everyone's staging in here, and then we'll head to the front as a group, as a team, but all the celebrity guests and guests of celebrities all in this room changing. Hincapie Gran Fondo at its fullest. This is one of the journeys you want to come and do, especially here at the Domestique Hotel. Look it up on Hincapie.com, Hincapie Sports. You'll register for next year, get an early registration. Do everything early for all the VIP lunches, dinners, lunches, and everything else that they have to offer. You want to experience the full benefits of what this organization does. So, ride with Nelly, come on, let's go ride now. Let's go stage up.
Right, so that was national champion.
I came to you late because I was just introduced at the start line, and that was really nice. They introduced me and I got a chance to talk. But everyone's here, so this is the staging area for the Hincapie. What's up, man? Everyone knows who that is. So we'll be back with more celebrities, more everything that's going on. You ride with Nelly, Hincapie Gran Fondo. Ride with Nelly back with Bradley Wiggins. So just say hi to all my peeps out there.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Legend.
That's fun. These nice words. Who's your colleague here?
This is my son, Ben.
This is Ben. That's his son. Cool. A lot of pressure, but no pressure. We're just rolling. This is what it's like when you ride with Nelly VIP. Is it the wheel?
No.
Ride with Nelly, just sitting in the middle of the group, sitting wheels. Nice little downhill for the first few miles. Everybody seems pretty calm and civilized. Really nice ride. Hincapie Gran Fondo, you're riding with Nelly. That's how you do it. We'll see ya. Be back with more. Nelly back. 20 miles into it, my man Mike.
What's up? How y'all doing, man? It's a pleasure to ride with Nelly.
Yeah.
Back east.
Mike and I go way back, and he's out in Atlanta, and I'm in San Diego. But we're just doing it here at the Hincapie Gran Fondo.
Yeah, we're having a good time. Great time.
So we're gonna continue to push on. I'm just pedaling, staying within my limit, heart rate. But we're rolling right along. You ride with Nelly, Hincapie Gran Fondo. Sit the wheel. We'll be back with more.
That's what I get.
Hey, how you doing? Ride with Nelly, rest area, 20 miles into it. Really popular spot. A lot of new faces to meet, a lot of old faces with some great memories. And this is what the Hincapie Gran Fondo is all about. So you're watching this video now, register for next year, tell them Nelly sent you, and look at all the VIP packages because you want to take advantage of that stuff. Regardless, you want to take advantage of that because it is so cool and worth every penny. Again, the rest area, a lot of beautiful people here. Everybody's riding within their limit. It appears that everyone is riding safe. We got a little precipitation right now, so it's wet, but it's not raining. And the temperature is great for it to be a little wet outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest area, get something to drink and a little snacky, and then I'm gonna push on. So up to the top of the climb. So you ride with Nelly. All right, we're back. Great rest area stop, as you saw. A lot of great people, a lot of great faces to meet. Again, great memories. It's really fun when people share their stories and their memories of me and how I got them started in cycling or motivated them to do something. So hopefully I'm motivating you to do something as well. We're gonna climb out of this little park here, and we got a big climb coming up. So you ride with Nelly, small chain ring. Sit the wheel. Alright, ride with Nelly back at the rest area, just about a little over a K over the top. So now is the time where I put back on my arm warmers and my vest, and I zip up my neck and make sure everything is buttoned down for the ride downhill back. You don't want to get a speck of chill anywhere along the downhill because then there's no return until you actually stop and warm up. So you want to make sure all the warm air is going to stay in. So right now I'm going to take a break and I'll be back with all my clothes on. You ride with Nelly. Hincapie Gran Fondo. It was fun climbing with you.
I've been with you almost the whole way. Keep
That's right.
bouncing India.
So ride with Nelly back. What's your name?
I'm Ken. What's yours?
Ken?
No.
Nelson.
Nelson. That's what
So I rode with Ken all the way up the climb. So we're just chilling, past each other back and forth, but taking out time and breathing. And Ken's in tennis shoes and he's riding with a cool ass bike. So this is what it is when you ride the Hincapie Gran Fondo, huh, Ken?
It's a blast.
It's a blast. Just come out and join us.
It really is. It wasn't bad. It was fun coming up that hill.
Yep.
Right.
It was a blast coming up the hills. That was the switchbacks, like 17 of them. Anyway, we're here. We're on our way down from the rest area to get my stuff on. I put my arm warmers on and zipped up my neck, so I'm gonna chill going down. We'll see you. Ride with Nelly. Alright, so now we pitched over the top, 31 plus miles into it, and I think we have a nice little 9-mile slowly rolling downhill descent. So gonna be safe and take our time and head down. You ride with Nelly, Hincapie Gran Fondo. You gotta do this. This is a really nice road for the 50. So for those with fitness, the 80 will be super duper. It'll feel like 100. All right, we'll see ya. Nelson Vails, ride with Nelly back. This is the final rest area, mile marker 40. At the bottom, now we got a couple of steepies I was warned of, like a 2-segment climb of like 1,500 meters each. That's gonna be challenging. I was told. So we're gonna just battle these with a small chainring, compact gearing, and smile about it, because it's the same for everybody out here. And it looks like the rain has passed us for the day. So you're riding with Nelly, Hincapie Gran Fondo. Nelly back. Just crest the summit at like the 46-mile mark of the 50 for the day. And so now we just kind of like a nice little cruise down. I'll recover from this part. I'll take this opportunity to do that. And then a little bump up to the finish line. Nice little climb. It looks like maybe 500 meters. Could be more, could be less. But we're almost done with the Ride with Nelly 50 for the Hincapie Gran Fondo. And we're gonna enjoy this. I'm happy I trained. I'm so happy I have a little bit of miles in my legs to be able to do this, because truly it wasn't easy, but it really wasn't hard either. Especially riding within your limits. And your ability between you, Strava, and the timing tape for the KOM, the start to finish. Just what makes the Gran Fondo or the Medio, the 50 miler. Either way, we're having a good time. You ride with Nelly, 2 hands on the bars. Be safe. Ride with Nelly, 1K to go. Ride with Nelly.
Please move along. Along with the last
We're back.
bikers coming through.
It's time to do the bling.
Bikers coming through here.
Ride with Nelly. Hincapie Gran Fondo 50. That's how you do it. We have fun. It was fun for everyone. What's up, guys? Thank you. So, we'll do a wrap up. We'll be back with more. Ride with Nelly back. Hincapie Gran Fondo wrap up. 50 miles, 3.5 hours recreationally. I tell you folks, I always say this, if you have not done a Gran Fondo or any Gran Fondos, you got to do the Hincapie Gran Fondo. It's a special one. And for you guys out there that post all these Strava times, come out here and post a time and see how you really stand. Other than that, the wrap up was good. The bling is on. So 50 miles recreationally, and come out and do some cool stuff like this. This is pretty epic. Me, Ride with Nelly for the Hincapie Gran Fondo and all the Gran Fondos throughout the 2019 season. That's a wrap. You riding with Nelly.
And if you step into his world with his mind, you will see it quickly change into a beautiful, exciting world of fantasy.